In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Mailchimp customer journey. Start by signing into your Mailchimp account. From the dashboard, click Automations, then select Customer Journeys. Next, click Create Journey to start building a new automation flow. After that, choose whether you want to start from scratch or use a pre-built template, then give your journey a name. Now set your starting point by choosing an entry trigger. For example, you can trigger the journey when someone subscribes to your list, fills out a form, or is added to a specific audience segment. Next, add your first step by clicking the plus icon. Choose an action such as send email, wait, or if/else condition. After that, customize your email content if you're sending a message. Edit the subject line, design the email, and personalize it using merge tags like the subscriber's name or behavior data. Now continue building your journey by adding more steps, such as delays, branching conditions, or additional emails based on user actions. Next, review the entire flow to make sure the logic, timing, and conditions are correct. After that, click Turn On to activate your customer journey automation. Finally, test your journey by subscribing a test email address and confirming that each step runs as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Mailchimp customer journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.